Yo, what's up guys, Evan here again, and today I'm just going to be showing you around my fairly new gaming PC. Well, as you might be able to see, or might be able to tell, I'm not sure. I have a half 912 case, and it's a pretty decent case so far. It's sturdy, has a nice little pop out thing with my Blu-ray drive in it, and so far has been doing me pretty well. So I've recently got this PC, a friend of mine helped me build it, and it's probably, I think, about maybe a month old now, maybe just under a month. And let me just show you around the case first. So on the front here I have two USB 3.0s and two USB 2.0s, along with a mic and a headphone jack, and some fan controls here, so I can put the fans up, the fans down, and it also controls the LEDs inside. The faster the fan, the brighter the LED. And so, if you want to just have a look inside here, it has a nice window at the side of this case, and at the moment so far I've still got the stock cooler along with a Ivy Bridge i7 processor. I have I have a Z77A G4 3 motherboard, which has two onboard USB 2.0s which go to the front of my case, along with at the back it has, let's count, two USB 3.0s and a fair few USB 2.0s along with onboard graphics. But for my graphics card right here, I have a EVGA GTX 670. Now this has been a very good graphics card for me so far. Has been performing for me extremely well, running nice and smooth. It should be pretty future proof. I mean, obviously with computers you can't be entirely future proof, but it should be fairly future proof. Can run all games almost all games on Ultra very well. I have inside this a SSD, so if I just take this off for you. Into the system, you can see my power supply. It was only a cheap one, should be lasting me very well though, had some good reviews. My cable management isn't too good at the moment. I need to buy a few little extension cables, as I found some of them very short, but I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. My mate helped me out with it. I've got a 1TB 7,200 RPM drive. It wasn't a Western Digital Caviar Black. It was a bit over my budget, but it still is a great performer. It was almost second in line from that. I've got an OCZ 60GB SSD for my operating system. Obviously all the links to my parts will be in the description. And I think that's all for it at the moment. It's just a really nice computer, really nice PC, rendering my videos extremely quick as well. Especially loving these fan controls and the LED. And I'll just let you know if I have RAM. I have two Kingston Hyper I'm not sure, Hyper Thread or I know, I'll check it up. 4GB sticks of RAM, so two 4GB sticks, DDR3 at 1600 MHz, for a total of 8GB of RAM. And I'm running this all in from a DVI, along with a little, where is my connector? I think it might have come out. Yeah, I believe it's come out, but I was running it through a little thingy that brings my sound out of my TV. It's a bit too far. I'll just show you my TV quickly, my monitor / TV. is I bought it as a monitor, but I had a TV tuner inside. I have a 7.4 Windows rating, and you can see it's an Ivy Bridge, as it says, 3770K, 8GB RAM, 64-bit, Windows 7. So let me just put this case back on, and I'll just show you a nice little view of it at the end. Now, if you want to see this in the dark, this is a absolute beast of a thing. If I just turn my monitor off too, you can just see that in the dark. It looks amazing. I mean, I'd definitely recommend this case. Superb case, plenty of space inside, plenty of space for anything you'd want to have in the future that might be too big. I mean, even the graphics card there, rather large graphics card, still got some space from the back, and even at a lower brightness. Now, overall, I'm pretty happy with my gaming PC. I mean, I've had it for a month so far, and it's been doing me just fine. Like I said, all the games with the graphics card can perform easily, and even on Ultra with at least 40 frames per second on most games. It came in at a total of, I think, about £950. I'll put all the link to the description of all the parts and where I got them from. I got them from different websites, try to keep my price down as low as possible. But anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a like. See ya.